Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the some HTML tags and script tags, and some applications are working in mobile applications. Some in within the mobile application only, I am showing some basic demos of the basic demo for the HTML page. Uh, Here some tags are there: body tag, div tag, and h1, h2. These are the heading tags, different with different sizes. And p is representation of the paragraph tag. Within the p tag, we having a style attribute, style, and the property of color. We are passing a value of red color. This is a demo content. Within the p tag, we are applying some style with the help of style attribute. Color is the property, and red is the value. And p, and after that also I have representing of the p tag. Within the style, we have signing some font family. So many font families are there. Times New Roman, italic, some these are the some different styles are there for changing the of the size of the text, particular text of the what is the representation we are typing the content in the within the paragraph tag. We are applying some italic style, and within the pixel, the size is representation with the pixel format. And after that, having of different font families of garments, serif, grg. These are the different names of the font family. And is the next one is the anchor tag. A is the representation of the anchor tag. And href is the hyperlink reference. Hyperlink reference. Within the hyperlink reference, we are sending a we are within the hyperlink reference, we are sending a some URL, uniform resource locator. I am sending my URL format. My URL means that YouTube channel I having a Jai Sri Ram educational channel. Some useful of the educational topics are there. The interview techniques and operation optimization techniques, and software engineering and design patterns, and software testing methodologies, and computer networks, and some R programming, future of the statistical analysis of the different libraries of the as the doing for the mathematical functionality that are having a default programming capability to calculate the statistical analysis of to represent in a bar chart or a pie chart. Please go through the channel. It is useful channel. And here within the href tag, I am representing my YouTube channel. Then copied the YouTube link and pasted it here. Hypertext protocol, transfer protocol. Within the hypertext HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. Within that, I paste my YouTube link. And what is the option I written it? Click me. When you click me, is after that clicking me particular text, the page is navigating to the YouTube channel. And after that, having a p tag. Again, be representing of the p tag, paragraph tag, same of the font family, different font styles, and font size 16 pixel. The size of the pixel 10, size 8, 9, 25, whatever the pixel size. Px is the pixel. The font style is representing the italic. Next one is the text area. Text area, I passed one ID and a name equal to name, some rows and columns developed by Divakar. My name is Divakar, and I represent my name. Is the text area tag. After that, I close my div tag, and after that I close the body tag, and after that I close that HTML tag. When I am executing the basic demo page, this is the output of what is then different sizes. We are h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. These are the heading tags. When you are executing that, different text of different heading sizes are appeared. Demo text, 6 different demo text headings are appeared. One is the red color format. This is a demo text. Means why means I represented the font size, and on font color red within the paragraph tag. This is the font color red. This is demo content. The particular this is demo content is appeared in red color because I applied a style within the property of color property. I applied a value, passed a value of red color. And next one is the p tag. Next one is the anchor tag. This is also demo text. This is a demo text. I didn't apply to that. For the particular anchor tag, this is the click me. When you clicking me here, after clicking this, sorry, I didn't see the output here. When you clicking this particular click me button, the page is navigating to my YouTube channel. It's an R programming YouTube channel. And this is my channel, Jai Sri Ram Educational Channel, and this is the channel having it is a very useful information for the to learn the programming of the R programming. It is useful for the mathematical functionality to calculate the statistical analysis report within the output representation with the pie chart and a bar chart, and different outputs are appeared. The default mathematical libraries are available to calculate the statistical report. For the example of the population, how many men are there, how many women are there. Some of the techniques, the basic programming techniques for the R programming language I explained in this YouTube channel. Please watch it. And next one is the form demo. Next one is the form demo. Within the form demo, what I am explaining means within the form demo, the form. Here starting with an HTML tag. After that, having a body tag, div. Within the div, I added an align. Align is an attribute. Align is an attribute. I passing a value of center. The particular paragraph, whatever the written content, it is to be appeared in a center. What is the use of p tag? What is the use of the div tag? Within the paragraph type, I explained a div defines a div defines a division or a section in a HTML document. Div defines a division or a section in a HTML document. Within the HTML document, a particular section is representing, or a division is to be representing with the help of division tag. Marquee tag it's one of the effective we are performing to the any particular tag or a paragraph tag or a H2 any tag. We are putting some effects, scrolling effects, scrolling left side, scrolling right side, scrolling up direction, scrolling down direction. Within the marquee, we having with the particular marquee tag, we can do such type of scrolling effects to the web application. After that, within the form tag, I am using some action attribute. The particular page performance of the form is to be done in a .php format. The action page.php, we have to return the particular form page, particular event, particular tasks of the form page. We have to represent the code within the .php page, personal home page. It is a pre-processed scripting language. PHP also, it is one of the pre-processed scripting language. Within the form tag, I explained the label, input. Within the label, I pass the first name, and within the input tag, type is in a very one of the best attribute. We are passing the values of the text. Text means it is text. We are typing any text of the first name or last name or password. For the password, you have to type hang a password only. Okay, type text and first name So you are passing some value j, and label also for the first name, last name, f name, l name, and input type equal to text, id equal to name, and we are passing a value of Sriram. Okay. uh, Different type of components are there: label, text box, radio button, check boxes, and some text areas and button. uh, these are there. Within the input tag, I am representing the type. For the particular type attribute, I am passing the value of radio, checkbox, and text area or submit. These are the values I changed. What is the type I have to change? Type. If the type is radio means the radio button is appeared. If type is checkbox means the checkbox is appeared. If the type is text area means the particular text area is to be appeared. Okay. After that, I closing the form tag, and if you click the submit button, the form data will be sent to the a page called page.php. Here the php code is not available. What is the action I am performing? You are using a particular .php page or .java file. Here within the HTML format, we are here within the page I representing with the action attribute the .php page, action page.php. That means the particular page functionality is written in a PHP format. Okay, preprocessed scripting language format. The form action is to be performed within the preprocessed scripting language. The form action is to be performed within the preprocessed scripting language. After that, body is to be closed and HTML is to be closed. I want to show the execution part. Here I am put a marquee tag. Default it is a left direction, it is to be scrolled HTML form, and after that label first name. Within the input text I represented a default name of J, and the last name within the input text last name it is also a label, and Sriram is the within the input text I written a default name of Sriram is the male female. The format just what is the design of the particular component with the help of input tag. The type is the particular attribute to represent the component which is it is radio or it is checkbox or a text box, and that way checkbox, and I have to write some address. Okay, in this way, while clicking the submit button, it's not to be performed because the particular .php format code it is not available within the mobile application. The basic of the design part of only I am explaining the HTML tags, and this is the form tag. And next one is the calculator demo. Within the calculator demo, same like HTML tag and head tag. Within the script tag, the script is used to represent a functionality with the help of function keyword to write any function to either to calculate some addition, subtraction, multiplication. I have to represent like that. Here I design only there's a design part only. I can do any functionalities of the arithmetic calculations also. We can do with the script language code also. Within the script tag, I return functionalities of the this means display the solve. Document dot get element by id means document is what is the page, the application page is to be appeared to the naked eye. It is called the complete document. Dot get element by id, get element by id. The result id we are applying to the particular paragraph tag or anchor tag or a button tag. The particular id we have to apply as per the output requirement. Okay, dot value plus equal to means the value which is to be added. A plus equal to x plus equal to a means x equal to x plus a. X plus equal to a means x equal to x plus a. In that way, value plus equal to val. Okay, that means value plus value. Okay, After that, the document is to be closed. The function block is to be, the function is to perform a particular task. The function is used to perform a particular operation. Okay, the function solve, the solve function means let x. The declaration of variables in a JavaScript means three types are there: let x and var. And where is the one of the format, latex is the format, const constant variable, let variable and variable. The data type compatibility is it is there for the JavaScript language. We don't want to declare int a equal to 5, int b equal to 6, or float a equal to 5.0. This type of declarations are not required for the JavaScript language, because the data type compatibility it is there. When you are passing any integer value or float value or string value, just we are using a var is the variable data type. Let, it is also one of the data type, and constant, it is also one of the data type. Three different data types are there. Only single data type, you're passing particular integer value or a string value without any declarations. The data type compatibility it is there in a JavaScript language. After that, let x equal to document dot get element by id. The same like we are fetching the result. The particular result id is applicable to the paragraph tag or anchor tag when you are checking the code throughout the code. Okay, and two variables are declared, let x and let y. Within the let x we are passing a document dot get element by id, the result dot value, and let y within this value evaluating the x. Okay, and document dot get element by id, result dot value equal to y. Okay, the function is closed. The function is closed with the flower brackets. The function is to be closed. The function is used to execute the operation, or the block of statement is to be executed for the particular task or an operation. A function that clears the display. CLR means it is used to clear the function. Document dot get element by id, result dot value. I am within the strings. No content is there. The complete space is there. No, even the space is also is not there. That's why when you applying the clear function, there is no data is to be appeared. Okay, that means you have to clear the previous content. You have to clear the previous content. This is the functionality. It is useful to clear the previous content. After that, the script tag is to be closed. The scripting functionality, the scripting language is to be done with the help of the script tag. Within the HTML content only we are using, within the HTML tags only we are writing the scripting functionality with the help of script tag. Now after that we are applying some style, particular title. For the title margin bottom and text alignment for the center alignment, width 210 pixels, color of the green format, green color value, and the border also solid block 2 pixel. This is the style applicable to the title. And input type equal to button. For the button also I am applying some style. Background color equal to green, color equal to black, border solid black of 2 pixel, width 100 pixel, 100 percentage. By the style I am applying means the shape of the calculator, it is in a perfect manner. We have to apply some style to the particular every button, and have to apply some color and border and width. These are all attributes for applying for the applying styles to the different buttons. In within the calculator we having a 0 to 9 buttons are there, and some other keys also there. See for the clear screen, some displaying some values, calculating from arithmetic, plus minus addition subtraction, this type of symbols also there. For everything it is a button format. As per the calculator view you have to apply a style to the every tag. Okay, after that within the style tag the body tag I have text, already explained. Div is the for the division or the to have to divide in a sectional format or a division format. It is to be within the HTML content. Div the class equal to title calculator as per the tabular format. For a see the output, it is in a tabular format. It is in a tabular format. There I didn't write any functionality to do the calculation part. Just as per the design, I written the code for the calculator purpose. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the buttons, and a dot, 0, equal to, multiplication, plus, minus, division. C for the clear function. As per regard, I used the table tag. Within the table tag, I written the first row, tr, table row, tr, and after the table division, table defined. Within the defined, I written some code as per the calculator design part. Okay, within the first row, I how many buttons are there? One. For the input tag, within the table defined,